Right, what am I going to make today? Something amazing with all this. Oh, sorry, I better put this to one side. I meant to be showing you what to do. Let's put that there, out of the way. Now, today I thought I would show you how to make some 3D decorations. A little bit of sticking and a little bit of sewing with these, but very, very quick and easy to do. You can do any kind of shape you want, a bell shape, a heart shape, or a teardrop shape. And I think anyone would be very, very proud to have that on their Christmas tree at Christmas. And you can make that out of cardboard, cereal packets, any scraps of fabric, any beads that you want, and you can make lots and lots of different shapes. So enjoy making that little project.